In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check using the Bank of America services in 2025. Whether you prefer the convenience of your mobile device or prefer using an ATM, I've got you covered with the steps you need to feel confident when depositing your checks. Let's start by talking about the methods available. Currently in 2025, Bank of America's website does not allow check deposits directly through a computer, whether via webcam or scanner. So you have two main options: depositing through the Bank of America mobile app or using a Bank of America ATM. If you choose to use the Bank of America mobile app, here's how you can do it. First, make sure you have the app installed on your smartphone or tablet. It's available for download on both the Apple App Store and Google Play, so you can easily get it on your device. Once installed, log in with your Bank of America account credentials. If you haven't set this up yet, you'll need to create an account with a secure password. After logging in, navigate to the check deposit section, which is usually quite visible on the app's main dashboard due to its popularity. Ensure that your check is correctly endorsed on the back. This normally means signing in, writing for mobile deposit only at Bank of America, but check your bank's specific endorsement requirements. Now, using your smartphone's camera through the app, you will need to take clear pictures of both sides of the check. Make sure the check lies on a well-lit surface to avoid shadows or reflections that might obscure any details. Once the images are satisfactory and clearly visible, input the exact amount of the check as seen on the document. Verify that all the entered information is correct, and then you can proceed by following the app prompts to complete the deposit. You'll usually receive a confirmation message once the process is successfully executed. It's advisable to store the physical check for a few weeks in case any issues arise, but avoid depositing it again to prevent duplication. For those leaning towards using an ATM, the process is just as straightforward. Choose an ATM that accepts deposits, which most Bank of America ATMs do. Begin by inserting your debit card and entering your PIN to access your account. Select the deposit option from the menu on the screen, and then choose the account where you'd like the funds deposited. ATMs have a slot for check deposits, so when prompted, insert the check there. Unlike the mobile app, the ATM will automatically read the check's details like the amount, but always double check on the screen to confirm everything looks correct before continuing. Once a deposit is finalized, a receipt is printed, providing you with evidence of the transaction. Just like with the mobile deposit, keep the receipt and hold on to the check until the deposit is reflected in your account. By following these steps, you'll be proficient in depositing checks with Bank of America, maximizing the convenience and security that these options provide.